So basically, high school fantasies ng mga tao, ng
Yeah.
mga writers.
What Bill described is another reason why I don't really watch anime anymore. Hindi na ako makarelate. Yeah, same.
Hindi,
And
kasi tsaka the Japanese can choose if they want to go to college or start working already. So literally after high school, they're already adults.
yeah.
Technically.
So, feeling ko isang reason yun kung bakit rampant ang high school PDFism or fetishism. But that doesn't explain yung fucking children.
Yeah, that's so weird. That's like taking it to the extreme.
And I don't understand also yung lolly build na girl.
Oh, God.
Pero labeled 1,000-year-old vampire.